Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Huawei MatePad 10.4 tablet. To start, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the tablet and then remove the broken screen from the front. To remove the screen, it must heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Make sure to heat the front side of the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and then select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to create a gap between the screen and the frame. Next, insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. This process will take time and need patience. If your screen has many cracks, gently take out pieces. Next, gently pull out the screen and then flip the screen to relax on the body. Next, take out the adhesive tape covering the LCD connector. Next, lift the lever and disconnect the LCD connector from the screen. Now you can remove the broken screen from the body. Next, clean the frame edges on the body. Next, place and secure the new LCD screen on the body. First, slide the LCD connector plug into the LCD screen and then secure the lever. Next, secure the adhesive tape. Next, turn on the device for testing. Once the testing completes, you can install the LCD screen on the body. First, apply adhesive to it. You can use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Gently slide in the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure to the screen edges. Finally, we add in binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands and tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.